Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on file sharing on a Mac. So first, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. And from this general page, scroll down looking for sharing. This is it. Click on sharing. And below content and media, you will see file sharing. Next to it, click or enable this option. And just like this, your file sharing is turned on. And if you click on this little eye icon, you will see your file sharing settings, like allow full disk access for all users. And you can also see the shared folders. You can add another shared folder. And you will see the users from this list, and you can give them permissions like read and write, read only, or write only. And this is how to turn on file sharing on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.